Hello everybody and welcome to Memphis, Tennessee on this hot July the 12th. It's been a hot summer here, hardly any rain. But anyway, this is my Honda HRN 216. And this is going to be an update to my pros and cons video. This is the con. I'm going to add a con. Here we go. Okay. I've had this mower for about probably a little bit over a year, right at a year, I don't know. But I've used it a lot, so I'm not complaining. But my only complaint is about the tires, or the wheels. I think they call them wheels, I call them tires. But anyway, I went to use it. Look at that. I knew they were cheap tires to start off with because they're like plastic. They're like for one of those Power Wheel vehicles. The HRX tires are really nice. I have that one, and they're like rubber, but these are like plastic. So I noticed after using it a little bit that all of a sudden the tread went from like this in the back. This is even more down. I don't know if you could hear that. It's plastic. Anyway, they went bald. I just kept on mowing. And then finally I looked and it's like that. The other side, I want to show you the other side. Let's walk over here. There's the other side. You can see what they do. They just go bald because it is rear wheel driven. It does have a lot of power. So it just likes to do spin outs, I guess. Burnouts. Anyway, I bought a new set. They're coming because I couldn't find any good replacement ones. So I ended up having to get the plastic tires again, I guess, until I figure out better ones to get. But anyway, they are like Power Wheel tires. They're not very good for a lawnmower. But I'm going to put that in the con category. I think most of y'all will agree that if you have to buy new tires every year or a year and a half, it's a great mower. I like it. But come on. They could have got better tires. All right. There we go. Bye.